Hey friends, if you encounter the error result code hung error in Google Chrome on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So, first of all, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can select settings from here. And in settings, you can go to extensions. Find any problematic extension and disable and remove it. Okay, if this doesn't help, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, history, and then you can click on open history page, delete browsing data, change this to all time and delete from this device. So these are the two main solutions, and if this doesn't help, then the last solution is simply to reset Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then go to reset settings, restore settings to the original defaults, reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.